aluminium windows and doors provide years of reliable, efficient service. Sometimes, however, there are minor tweaks or adjustments that may be required to keep your product in the best working order. You might notice that the lock is stiff or failing to properly engage, or the door is rattling. This sometimes happens after you've adjusted the rollers on the door. If so, it's an easy adjustment. Remove the aluminium cover by removing screw 1 with a square drive screwdriver. Loosen screws 2 and 3. Close the door and relock the lock to realign the strike box correctly. Now tighten screws 2 and 3 again. If the lock appears to be loosely caught, loosen screws 4 and 5. Turn screw 6 clockwise to loosen it. Please note, this screw operates in reverse. Now tighten screws 4 and 5 again. Then carefully turn screw 6 anti-clockwise until the striker plate is no longer free to move. Check the lock operation. If it's still not working, repeat the process. Don't forget to replace the cover when you're done. The mortise lock can be adjusted in a similar manner. You won't need to remove the strike box to start, and the door will need to be open while adjusting the strike box's position. If you have any questions or run into any difficulties with your product, please make contact with your installer or service technician. They're here to help.